In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and analyze a sales by customer detail or summary report. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing the sales department in a larger company, having a clear and detailed report of sales by each customer can be a game changer. Let's dive into how you can easily pull up this report and gain insights that can drive your business decisions. First, let's navigate to the Reports section in your accounting software, where you'll find a variety of pre-generated templates designed to give you the insights you need. Once you're in the Reports tab, look for a category titled Customers and Receivables. It is here where our desired reports live. Your goal is to identify the option called Sales by Customer Detail or Sales by Customer Summary, depending on the level of detail you need. Choosing Sales by Customer Detail will give you a more granular look, highlighting every transaction associated with each customer. On the other hand, the Sales by Customer Summary will offer a broader overview, summing up the sales figures for each customer for easier comparison. Depending on your needs, whether you want detailed transaction breakdowns or just the highlights, either option will serve you well. Once you've selected your report type, it's time to set the date range. Think carefully about what time frame is most relevant to your analysis. Are you looking to analyze monthly trends, quarterly sales, or perhaps the entire fiscal year? Adjust the date filters accordingly to reflect the period you're interested in. This step ensures that your report is both relevant and actionable. Also, look out for options that allow you to customize further by customer type, specific locations, or sales reps. Exploiting these additional filters can make your report even more tailored to specific inquiries. After applying all necessary filters, your report is ready to generate. This is where you watch the magic happen and your detailed financial story unfolds. Once the report is populated, take a moment to review the data carefully. Look for patterns such as best performing products, identifying which customers are contributing most to your revenue, or spotting any anomalies that might merit a deeper dive. If your software allows it, export the report in formats like Excel or PDF for deeper analysis or sharing with stakeholders. Exporting can also be instrumental in archiving data or combining it with other reports for a comprehensive business review. If sharing or collaboration is part of your workflow, consider setting up scheduled reports that automatically send the relevant data to your team, ensuring everyone has the insights they need without unnecessary back and forths. By mastering the Sales by Customer Detail or Summary reports, you open up opportunities not just for evaluating past performance, but steering future strategies effectively. With this knowledge, you're better equipped to meet customer needs, adjust sales tactics, and ultimately boost your bottom line. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you now feel confident in generating these insightful reports. Thank you for watching.